This new AI tool can actually generate an entire video for you using just a single prompt. And no, this is not the pattern you are used to. This is a different ballgame entirely. I'm talking about giving AI just a single prompt of your ideas, like what you want to generate, and letting AI do everything. Talking about the script, the stories, the characters, the animations, the video, the audio, even the background music, camera movements, name it, guys. Everything done with just a single chat with AI. Today, I'm going to be putting all of these things into test. So instead of creating just a random video, I would actually test this AI tool with a much bigger project. And let's see what it gives us. Now, this is what I created with just a single prompt using Anijam AI. Watch this, guys.
Through rain-slicked streets she runs, dodging drones and traffic lights. The city is a neon cage, and Aura controls every lock. Below the city, in the data fortress, she navigates shifting corridors. The AI warps reality around her, but she keeps moving. In the heart of the machine, she uploads the patch. Aura fights back, corrupting everything. Then Maya stops and reaches for a photograph. Dawn breaks over the city. Maya sits by the window, the photograph in her hands. The world never knew what almost happened, but she remembers. Midnight. Maya's screen flashes an anomaly, a ghost in the global financial grid. The AI calls itself Aura, and it's already watching her.
Pretty crazy, right? Now, the AI tool we're going to be using to generate this is called Anijam AI. Now, think of Anijam as ChatGPT, but instead of generating just your text and images, it actually turns it into videos. Text, image, and video all in one place. So whether you have never animated before or you have, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't require your experience because it does all of the heavy lifting for you. So I'll be walking you through the exact workflow that I used to generate that video you just watched and how to use this platform entirely. Without wasting much time, let's dive right into this tutorial.
So guys, this right here is the platform, right? Now, after opening the platform, the first thing to do is to create a free account, okay? Now, I'm logged in already. I've created an account. You can actually create an account using your Google account, like your Gmail account, right? And everything is just right here, okay? Now, one good thing about this platform is that you can actually create a free account and you receive 500 free credits after signing up. And of course, you get the luxury of claiming 100 credits every day upon signing in into this platform. Do you understand? You can actually get 100 credits on a daily basis. And that alone is a nice way to keep experimenting without immediately upgrading your account. Of course, you're going to love this platform, and I know upgrading will not be an issue for you because the platform is efficient, okay? If you would like to test this platform, guys, I've left my affiliate link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment, okay? So do well to check it out. Right now, let's get to work, okay? Let's create a new project. Now, for today's tutorial, I'm going to be using the AI director mode, okay? I'll just go on and click on new project, okay? Instead of manually building every part of your animation yourself, AI director mode actually helps you do the work. You understand? AI director mode acts like your own creative director. You can simply just describe the idea you want, and the AI plans the production for you from start to finish, okay? So you say, hello, what story will you animate today? This is the episode 1. It breaks it down into different episodes, enabling you get very good outcome, okay? As you can see here, it has different style. There's cinematic fantasy films, there's anime, and of course there's cartoon stories. It can show you more examples if you want. So I'll just go on and paste my prompt, okay? This is my prompt. I'll just go on and click on done. So it went on to turn my prompt into a storyline, okay? And then it asked me for my mode, like what storyboard plan do I want to use? Do I need the AI director mode or the workflow mode? For this tutorial, I would use the AI director mode, which is the mode I would recommend for most people instead of manually generating everything. So I'll select the AI director mode, okay? The AI director mode is like your own creative director. You simply describe your idea as you see that I already pasted my prompt, and then it begins to do all the work for you, okay? Now, for the video model, I would go with Sidans 2.0. If you click on this arrow, you will see that there are other models on this particular platform, okay? You have Clean, you have one, you have Sidans 2.0 Fast and Sidans 2.0 Mini and all of that, okay? So I'll just use 2.0 for this video. Now I'll click on confirm. So it's just like you telling AI your preference. Do you understand? And then the agent will start working for you, as you can see right here. So this is basically how I was able to generate this video without even having to generate pictures first and then animating and then editing and all of that. So yeah, so guys, after that, the AI goes on to ask you for your project parameters, like for the audience, for the platform you want. So now it's asking me if I want for teenagers. I'll just say for all ages, okay? I want everybody to be able to watch it. Asking me for the platform so I can know the aspect ratio and all of that and how to fit in everything. I say YouTube and then the aspect ratio 16 by 9, okay? And of course, I'll just keep scrolling. Now it's asking me for the audio mode. For the audio mode, you can either use dialogue or you can use voiceover, right? So I think I would use the voiceover mode for this one. Since we're mostly used to dialogue, let me show you a different dimension of generating your videos, okay? I'll just click on voiceover, and for the duration, it says 3 minutes, okay? You can do either more or you can do less. So I'll just leave it at 1 minute, guys, since this is a quick tutorial. Now I'll just go on and click on confirm. Now the AI goes on to ask you how you want to generate your workflow. Okay, is it that you want to co-design with the AI or you want the AI to decide? For this tutorial, I will co-design with AI. Okay. You can as well change any decisions you make as time goes on. Okay. All you have to do is just type it and let the AI know, and then it will apply the changes to that particular place that you require the change. So guys, yeah, after selecting to co-design with the AI, it broke my story into a quick check on my project setup. Okay, look at everything that I've asked for. Just showed me everything like a recap. Okay, now it went on further to ask me for a 1 minute piece. This is a strong foundation. Here are 5 optional directions we could actually explore. So this is co-designing with AI. We're just chatting, right? So guys, there we have it, our story outline. Now our outline is ready, and as you can see, the AI has actually broken the story into local scenes, as you can see right now. Instead of me writing every transition manually, the AI already understands the pacing of the film. And if you're happy with the outline, you can simply just click on continue. So I'll just go through and click on continue. So this is it. Everything is intact. I'll just go on and click on continue. So guys, the next thing, it asks me to pick a style. Okay. So I'll just pick the 3D pixel style. Okay. So our style has been selected and is locked in already. So it's working with our 3D pixel style, as you can see. So the AI basically just works on your preference, or they can work on its own. Depends on the model you choose. Depends on the generation mode you choose. Okay. It's concept image. Okay. It brought out either I generate the first image or I generate every other image. Remember, we want to see what this AI can do. So I just said, yeah, go ahead and create everything. Let me see how it looks. Okay. So it's working, it's generating the images already, as you can see. And guys, just like that, my images are being generated. And as you can see, it costs just 20 credits per image. Okay. So even though this platform is very, very easy to use, it doesn't take so much credit, unlike some other platforms that takes a lot of credit from you just to generate your images and your videos. So yeah, our first image is ready, as you can see. So this is basically how I will generate all of this using just chats with AI. Are you seeing it? Everything is coming out right here. And of course, you can preview your images. And yeah, we have just total of 8 images right here. So one of the image had a problem generating, and he even went on to tell me that he wants to try and generate that particular one again. So everything is just very easy to use, and in a matter of minutes, you will have a full complete video. Okay. Now all 8 concept image are generated. Okay. Okay. Now take a look at the beauty and the quality of these pictures. Okay. Look at the quality of these pictures. Now this is our main character. Okay, you can actually preview everything one after the other. So this is basically how I was able to generate a video by just chatting with AI. I mean, now you can as well download these videos. As you can see, you can download the pictures to your phone if you want to have it. Do you understand? I just downloaded this particular one because I like the background. Now just scroll back down to now it says let's move on to the next phase, which is video generation. And this storyboard is basically the visual blueprint of your video, because it decides the camera angles, the scene compositions, describe the character placement, and how every scene connects to the next. And this saves a huge amount of planning compared to traditional animation workflows of generating everything one after the other. But this time around, AI controls and handles everything strategically. So guys, our video is generating already using Seedance 2.0 mini, as you can see, and it's generating all 5 videos at once. So guys, once everything has been generated, you can actually go on and make any adjustments you want. You can preview your videos, you can rearrange the scenes if you need to, and you can add final adjustments before you export your videos. Okay, so I like it. I'll just scroll down and continue chatting with my AI. Okay, my storyboard has been updated and the video generation is basically completed. Now everything is 12 seconds each from the scene 1 to the last scene, which is scene 5. Okay, now I can go on and generate narration. Remember, I picked narration instead of dialogue. Okay, so now I'll just go on and click on generate narration, and it will start generating my narration for me. So it asks me to choose a voice and generate narration. Okay, so it has given me a voice automatically. Either I choose another voice or I just click on confirm, but I want the AI to choose. I'll just go on and click on. Now my narration is generating. Guys, everything is ready. Aside from happening in one place, Anijam AI is very fast, and that saves you time and stress of generating videos from multiple platforms. Now it's asking me to add the background music, and of course, yeah, I want the background music, but you can actually do without the background music. It's optional. Okay, that's why it says, or tell me what you want to do. So for me, I think I want the background music. So guys, it's combining my video. Immediately I click on preview video. Okay, now guys, for the moment we've been waiting for, here is the finished animation video we just created. From that single prompt I sent at the initial stage of this video. So I'll just go on and download the video as you can see. So it's asking, would you like to add this to the timeline for further editing? You can either add it or you can proceed to your next scene. Okay. Now, after testing Anijam, what impressed me mostly is the speed at which these videos, these pictures generate very easily. Not just the animation quality, but the speed is very good for any creator that wants to try this. Of course, how much of the production process the AI handled automatically. So instead of needing separate tools for scripting, for storyboarding, character generations, and of course animation and voice generation, everything happened right here. So I can just go on and click on create new track. Okay. Now when you're done with this, it will redirect you to generate for your scene. So this is basically how to generate videos using the AI director mode on Anijam. Okay, so if you would like to try out Anijam for yourself, you'll find my affiliate link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. And don't forget, new users actually receive 500 credits for free, and you can also claim 100 credits free on a daily basis by just clicking and checking in on this platform. I would really love to see what you create with using this platform, and if you do, let me know in the comments. Okay, and if this tutorial has been of help to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and of course leave me a wonderful comment. So to continue, all I have to do is just to go to episode 2, as you can see right here.
Guys, you've seen it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, see you in the next video. Bye for now.